Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make Rakhis using resin for Raksha Bandhan. The resin which I'm using is Epocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. Use a kitchen scale to measure it, mix it slowly and thoroughly. These are pendant molds, but you can use it for making Rakhis as well. Pour the clear resin into the silicone molds. Next, add alcohol ink. These are Petri alcohol inks from Beyond Inks. Add the alcohol inks drop by drop. These are Petri inks which has white alcohol ink in it. Next, take some resin in a small plastic cup and then add 2 drops of casting craft. Mix it well and then pour it on top of the Petri inks. Using a stick, swirl it. For the next method, I am using normal alcohol ink. It does not contain white alcohol ink in it. Add your favorite colors drop by drop. Here I am using blue, pink and yellow. Pour some clear resin in a small plastic cup and then add 2 to 3 drops of white alcohol ink. Now pour the solution on top of the alcohol inks as shown. After about 24 hours, you can demold it. This is how it looks after demolding. Now moving on to the next method, take hot glue gun and then create any design of your choice on a plastic sheet. Add some colored pigments to the resin and then fill the design as shown. Add some black beads in the center so that it looks like a papaya. Add some glitters to the clear resin and mix well. Once you mix the glitters to the resin, allow it for at least 4 hours before you proceed on. After about 4 hours, the consistency of the resin will be thick. You can create any design of your choice. I have made a Mickey Mouse here. Add some clear resin on the plastic sheet. You can see that the resin is of thick consistency. Get thick consistency. Once you mix the resin and hardener, allow it for at least 4 hours before you proceed on. So you will get this kind of consistency. Next, take some alcohol inks and then add it drop by drop as shown. It will create its own design. After about 24 hours, you can demold it from the plastic sheet. Apply a coat of clear resin on the front and back side of the piece. Using white acrylic marker, you can draw the eyes and nose. Add some thick resin on the plastic sheet. Here I am using 3 colors: aquamarine blue, red and silver. Add the colored pigments to the resin. Create the design as shown. After about 8 hours, you can demold it and then stick one layer to the other. Attach the cord to the piece using clear resin. Allow it to dry completely. So this is how it looks after you finish it. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you will be notified with the message.